In this video, I will be showing you how to fix YouTube server error 400. Let's get started. First, I open Google Chrome on my desktop. I click on the search bar at the top, type in YouTube, and press enter to search. In the search results, I click on the official YouTube link to open the website. Once YouTube loads, I refresh the page by clicking the reload button on the top left corner just to verify the connection. After refreshing, I head over to the top right corner of the browser and click on the three vertical dots to open the Google Chrome settings menu. From the drop-down options, I scroll down and select Settings. Once the Settings tab opens, I navigate to the left side menu and click on Privacy and Security. In the Privacy and Security section, I click on Delete Browsing Data. A pop-up window appears. Under the basic settings, I make sure the time range is set to all time, then I click on the Delete Data button at the bottom right to clear out saved cache and cookies that might be causing the server error. Once the browsing data is cleared, I close the Settings tab and go back to YouTube. To check if an extension might be interfering with the site, I click on the three vertical dots again, hover over Extensions, and select Manage Extensions. On the Extensions page, I look at the active extensions and toggle off the switch to disable them. After disabling the extensions, I close the Extensions tab to go back to YouTube. To test another method, I click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner once more and select New Incognito window. In the New Incognito window, I click on the address bar, type in YouTube, and hit Enter. From the Google search results, I click on the YouTube link to open it. Once YouTube loads in incognito mode, I click on the Sign In button in the top right corner. I enter my email address into the text field and click Next. Then, I type in my password and click Next to sign into my account. Now, YouTube loads smoothly, showing that the server error is completely resolved and the site is working properly again. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.